Hello, dear students. So, today we are going to discuss the next session of general knowledge or current affairs. So, let me start with the first one. The first question says that where is the headquarters of United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime? The right answer is Vienna. The UNODC stands for United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. So the question may be asked in this way: where is the headquarter or UNODC office is located where? The right answer is Vienna. Now coming to the second question, which institute has developed ICU grade ventilator prototype using the indigenous components under Project Pran? So which organization or which institute has initiated Project Pran? The right answer is Indian Institute of Science. The first option, that is the Indian Institute of Science. Now coming to the third question, government has constituted a high-level technical committee of public health experts for COVID-19 to guide the prevention and the control activities in the country. So who is the head? The right answer is option B, Mr. V.K. Paul. Now coming to question number 4, what is the name of first edition of the Fisheries and Aquaculture newsletter launched by Giriraj Singh? Giriraj Singh is heading the Ministry of Animal Husbandry and Fisheries, right? So the newsletter which is which is launched by Giriraj Singh is the option B, that is Matsya Sampad. Okay, the right answer is Matsya Sampad. Now coming to question number 5, which state has launched the app Intezar Aapka campaign in order to attract the tourist? Which state has launched Intezar Aapka campaign in order to attract the tourist? The right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Now question number 6, which company CBSE has partnered to launch free and comprehensive training program for teachers and students? The right answer is Facebook. Option D, that is Facebook. Now coming to question number 7, who is the chairman of National Highway Authorities of India? Who is the chairman of NHAI, National Highways Authorities of India? The right answer is option D, Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Now question number 8, which state government has announced a Balram scheme to empower over 7 lakh landless farmers? The right answer is option D, Odisha. Now question number 9, which video conferencing app has been unveiled by Reliance Industry? The right answer is option C, GeoMeet. Now question number 10, National Human Rights Commission NHRC has constituted an committee to study the impact of COVID-19 on human rights and future responses of the government. Who is the chairman? The chairman is option D, K.S. Reddy. Now question number 11, Amit Pangal is related to which sports? The Amit Pangal is related to option number A, boxing. Okay. Now question number 12, a campaign Mission Vriksharopan 2020 has been launched by which state government? The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Now question number 13, with which country India signed 5 agreements for developing educational infrastructure? The right answer is option C, Afghanistan. Question number 14, which is the rank of India in Sustainable Development Goal, that is SDG Index 2020? Okay, India's rank in SDG Sustainable Development Goal Index 2020 is which position or which rank? That is 117. Now question number 15, which state has launched Mahajobs portal for unemployed local youths? The right answer is Maharashtra. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, students. So please do subscribe my channel. Thank you all.